Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. So today we are going to discuss about tricks in multiplication and division. So last class we learned tricks in addition and subtraction. So this class we are going to discuss about tricks in multiplication and division. So those who knew abacus and Vedic maths, so this is just a brush up. You just need to do one time this class. Okay, so let's see the concepts. So I think these concepts are you already aware of this commutative law, associative law of multiplication. Okay, so here also in multiplication order doesn't matter. If you do 2 times 3 or 3 times 2, both values are same. So associative law like a cross b cross c is equal to a cross b cross c. Distributive law is a cross b plus c is equal to a cross b plus a cross c, and a cross b minus c is equal to a cross b minus a cross c. Okay, so when you are doing multiplication, you will have this multiplier times multiplicand, which you will get it a product. Okay, and the first thing you need to learn the multiples of tens, hundreds. So how to do it in a very easy way. So yeah, of course these questions are very easy. Just you need to multiply the number and you just need to append the number of zeros, how many zeros are participating in the multiplication. So 10 times 100 is equal to 1000, because we have 1 0 from multiplier and 2 zeros from the multiplicand. So together we need to put the append the 3 zeros in product. Okay, so first thing that we will teach to our kids, and then once that's finished, so we have only two things we need to remember. So if you can find these two basic things, so you can do multiplication very easily. So which is one is 25 times 4 is 100. And 125 times 8 is 1000. Okay, so how we did in our tricks addition and subtraction, so we'll try to make it ones place 0, right? Here also same. So whenever you want to make it like if you deal with the more zeros, then it would be very easy. Okay, so let's see a few questions, then you will understand what I'm saying. So here, so it's very easy to multiply 4 times 25, as the answer is 100. Then 2 times 5 10, so multiply it, then you will get your answer. So here also I told you 8 times 125. So whenever you find these two equations, which are very important while doing in your multiplication, so write down 1000. And so I will convert this 26 to 13 times 2. Okay, so that I can make it simple. So here I have 5 times 2, which is 10, and then 1000. So I can easily multiply now 13 times 1 13, and I need to append the number of zeros. Okay, 4 zeros I just append to the 13. Here also same. So this is 1000 and this is 100. So multiply together, then we will need to append the 5 zeros, right? Yeah, 3 plus 2, 5 zeros. And here, so I won't multiply 88 times 125. What I will do, I'll try to convert whether I can get anywhere 8, as I have 125. So 11 times 8 times 125, so which is equal to 11 times 1000. So 11 times 1000 means 11,000. Okay, so let's proceed to the next topic, so which is prime factorization, which is also important while you are dealing with the multiplication. So what do you mean by prime number? A number which has only two factors, the number itself, and one more factor is 1. Okay, so how to do that one? There are different methods. Let's take tree method. So the representation is different, the concept is same. Okay, so you need to represent this 180 with the product of only prime numbers, that is called prime factorization. Okay, so what I'm taking 3 times 60. So 60 again I will expand, because I can't expand any more prime numbers. So 3 I can't do it, but I can expand 60. 30 times 2, again 2 I can't do it anything, leave it. And then 30 15 times 2, again 15, 3 times 5. So if you see only the last values 3 2 2, these are all our prime numbers. So if you multiply these sequence of prime numbers, you will get it 180. So the process of this technique is called prime factorization. Okay, so how many times? 2 square times 3 square times 5 is equal to, you will get it 180. Okay, so this also helpful in your multiplication process. And I'll try to show different examples how we can simplify the multiplication and division process. Of course we can't apply to this all the questions, but wherever it is possible, so if you apply these things, then it would be very easy for us. So 45 divided by 3 and 345 divided by 3, so divided by 13. So what, just we need to add the numerator, then we will do the division with the 13. Okay, it would be very easy rather than doing individually. Over 13 then adding up. So first add up, then you divide. And if the question is something like this, the numbers are near to 100. Okay, so what we need to do, so actually it's 100 and plus 1, right? So what I will do, I'll multiply with the 100 and then I will add the same number. That's what, right? 25 times 100 plus 25 times 1. So it's a like distributive law. Okay, here also whenever you have the numbers near to 100, try to take the help of 100. Okay, so 25 times 11 also same, 10 plus 1, right? So 25 times 10 plus 25 you need to add. Okay, just append 1 0 and then add the same number, then we will get the 25 times 11. So multiplying with the 11, multiplying with the 101, 102, yeah, multiplying with the 97, 98. So all we should use our distributive law. But here one more different scenario. So if you have your tens place value same and ones place when you add up to 10, so there is an easy method to solve this kind of questions. Like you need to multiply step 1 5 times the neighbor of 5, which is 6. Okay, not lower value, upper value 6, so 30. And then step 2 you multiply the ones place, 6 4s are 24, just append these two values, so that's your answer. So if we have the questions in such a way, this way means tens place same, ones place if you add up, if you're getting 10, you need to follow this way. Okay, so even we discuss this in the Vedic maths. If you want, you follow the Vedic maths methods. So next, if you look at here, so it's very easy one, right? I told you most of the questions will try to implement these two equations, 125 times 8, 125 times 4. So if you see here, what I am doing, I will try to divide 64 as 8 times 8, so that I can use 1 8 to get 1000, and 1 8 again I will divide, like 4 2s are 8, so 1 4 I will take 25 times 4, here I will get it 100, and 1 2 I will use it for 5, here I will get it some 10. So see how easy I decoded these questions with the help of these basic equations. So that's how we can, if you want to multiply the way it represents, then it would be very difficult, but the conversion is very easy and very fast. Okay, so let's see a few more questions. Suppose it's again a distributive law, so I'll try to do, I will add up, because I see the combination 84 plus 16, there is a chance to get 100, means I can make more zeros, so just adding that number, then I'll multiply, it's very easy. So here also same, so you add up first, then you divide with the 14. I just want to take some random questions. So if you have enough time, try to solve all the questions whatever I have given here. So consider this one as your homework. So that's it for today's class, and then we'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.